Welcome back to another episode of Thrown in the Deep. Today I'll talk to you about top 10 science stuff. The Mobius strip. It's a special shape where if an ant starts walking on one side of the surface, it will continue the walk onto the other side and reach back to the start position without having crossed an edge. Therefore, to mathematicians, it's known as a single-sided surface, as well as it's known for having a single edge, which goes twice around the loop. The Klein bottle. Taking the Mobius strip understanding to a whole new level, how about a surface with no edges? That's where the Klein bottle comes in. Imagine yourself as an ant and go for a walk on the surface. Start on the outside and see how you reach the inside. Perpetual motion machines. They are machines which can do work indefinitely without an external source of energy. Remember that scene from Iron Man 2? The concoction on Pepper Potts' desk? Yep, that's one. Wait, what? Too bad perpetual motion machines can never be real. Because physics. There will always be friction between the moving parts and other sources of energy loss, like sound. So what about the device in Iron Man? Well, that ran on 4AA batteries. World's roundest object ever. This 1 kg sphere of pure silicon 28 atoms was created to define the unit of kilogram, because all previous definitions were less reliable than this one. The raw material cost 1 million euros, and then thousands of man-hours were invested into the creation of the sphere. If this were the Earth, then the highest mountain and the lowest valley would be 14 meters apart. The vlogger Veritasium is one of the few who's actually touched it. Go check it out. Event horizon. Also known as the point of no return, an event horizon is normally associated with a black hole. It is the point at which the gravitational force becomes so strong that not even the fastest thing in the universe, light, can escape from it. In comparison, Earth's escape velocity is only 11.2 kilometers per second. Scintillating grid illusion. This is an optical illusion where dark or bright dots seem to randomly appear and disappear at random intersections of vertical and horizontal lines, hence the label scintillating. A variation of this, when instead of perfectly defined dots, blobs seem to appear, can be seen on the flag of Cornwall. They are gyroscopically stable cameras. These gyroscopically stable cameras are a rare thing. Ever tried recording something with your phone while walking? Know how the video gets shaky? Turns out there is tech to stabilize the camera like crazy, something like chicken signs. Also, a similar technique can be applied for stabilizing spools for people suffering from essential tremors. Fracking. Fracking is a method of extracting natural gas by drilling deep into the surface of the earth, then spraying high pressure water mixture onto the rocks to release the stored natural gas. Water, sand and chemicals are injected into the rock at high pressure, which allows the natural gas to escape from the mouth of the well. Now this water gets some natural gas dissolved in it and enters the water table. So when it is pumped to houses, you can actually set your tap water on fire. Neutron stars. A neutron star is a very compact star. When certain stars blow up as violent supernovae, their outer layers get blown away, leaving behind a small dense core that collapses under own gravity. Gravity presses the material so tightly onto itself that the protons and electrons combine to form neutrons, yielding the name neutron stars. They are so heavy that a spoonful of a neutron star would weigh 1 billion tons. Now on to the final item on the list. Yes, you. You are a collection of atoms. You are the universe brought alive on this tiny piece of rock revolving around a star in the middle of nowhere. Humans have scoured light years into the universe and have found no signs of life. Yet, there you are. What are the odds? Thank you. Revolving around a star in the middle of nowhere. Wow, that was good.